Integrating video into ServiceNow is transformative, turning video into a strategic asset for problem solving, knowledge sharing, and enhancing the employee experience. Vbrick for ServiceNow is the only pre-built, certified video platform integration available, purpose-built to work seamlessly within ServiceNow. While custom integrations or workaround solutions might seem good enough, they often fall short when you consider the effort required to build, maintain, secure, and scale them, as well as the impact on user experience. Let's see how they stack up. First off, the Vbrick integration is a fully native platform-to-platform integration. So when you log into ServiceNow, you're automatically authenticated into Vbrick. Your roles and permissions are passed along, so you can securely access the videos that you're entitled to. Videos uploaded to Vbrick are instantly available in ServiceNow. The platforms are fully integrated for a seamless, secure experience. This deep platform-to-platform integration leads to many other huge advantages for both users and for admins. Being a ServiceNow-certified integration, you can be confident that it just works. As a build partner, we collaborated with ServiceNow on developing and testing 3 scoped applications that are available in the ServiceNow store. Testing is conducted as a standard practice with each ServiceNow release, and Vbrick handles all the maintenance. Doing all the testing and maintenance yourself with custom software updates for every release is a high-effort endeavor. Vbrick installation is ready out of the box versus time-consuming development and custom integrations. You also get Vbrick's enterprise-grade security and role-based access controls. With seamless authentication, native video experience, and AI-powered video features, the user experience is unmatched for both publishers and for viewers. Using our AI search connector, video becomes as searchable as any other content in ServiceNow. Vbrick passes along the metadata and transcripts from the video, so they are returned in ServiceNow portals and virtual agents. You can even add contextually relevant video suggestions, so helpful videos find users before they even look. Lastly, once your videos are in AI search, you can use them within Now Assist. That lets you create generative AI-based skills and use them within virtual agents and the Now Assist panel to summarize support calls, recap sales meetings, and provide context from your training and help videos. With Vbrick's integration, searching, embedding, and viewing video content just works. There's no linking to external platforms, siloed systems, extra logins, or piecing together analytics. Video becomes seamless, searchable, and integrated into the fabric of everyday work. This can be a game changer in so many areas: company portals, IT service management, HR service delivery, field service, and sales automation. It can produce exceptional results, reducing ticket volume, speeding up time to resolution, enabling self-service, and more. The possibilities are endless to supercharge ServiceNow with video.